AI is already saving lives in medicine, diagnosing diseases, predicting health outcomes, and even designing treatments. But can AI really replace doctors? Let's see how AI is transforming healthcare and the challenges it still faces. AI is revolutionizing diagnostics by analyzing medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and computed tomography or CT scan with incredible precision. In fact, AI models can stop abnormalities like cancerous tumors, often much faster than a human doctor and with much greater accuracy. Take brain tumor detection, for example. AI can detect signs of cancer in MRIs with up to 99% accuracy, which is a significant improvement over traditional methods. AI is also making waves in radiology, analyzing images from CT scans, MRIs, and even X-rays. They use machine learning, an artificial intelligence system where the computer analyzes data and learns from it without explicit programming. By using machine learning, AI can detect early signs of diseases like cancer, heart conditions, and neurological disorders that may go unnoticed by the human eye. Imagine AI quickly reviewing hundreds of images, highlighting critical issues for doctors to focus on. This speeds up the diagnosis and helps prevent delays that can be life-threatening. AI isn't just diagnosing diseases, it's also assisting in surgeries. Robotic surgery systems powered by AI are now capable of performing high-precision procedures, reducing human error and speeding up recovery time for patients. These AI systems can analyze surgical procedures in real time, suggesting the best approach and even correcting the surgeon's movements when necessary. But AI in medicine isn't without challenges. While it can analyze vast amounts of data, it still struggles with issues like data privacy and trust with personal information. Patients and doctors are often wary about handing over sensitive health data to machines. AI models are only as good as their data they're trained on, and if that data is biased or incomplete, it can lead to errors. Plus, AI can't yet replicate the empathy and intuition that human doctors bring to patient care. So, can AI replace doctors? The simple answer is no, at least not yet. But it's an invaluable tool that's making healthcare faster, safer, and more accurate. What do you think? Could AI replace certain aspects of healthcare in the future? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.